Have you ever wondered how people effortlessly make money while they sleep? The secret lies in selling digital products, an innovative method that Americans are using to generate passive income in 2025. By creating products that require minimal initial investment and are infinitely replicable, you can tap into an income stream that flows continuously. With the right approach, you can turn your insights and skills into a lucrative digital venture. Digital products come with distinct advantages that make them immensely appealing. Unlike tangible goods, they don't require inventory management, packaging, or shipping logistics. You craft your product once and sell it repeatedly without worrying about stock levels. This unique feature makes digital products an ideal choice for passive income generation. The beauty of this venture is its flexibility. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet town, you can manage your digital sales from virtually anywhere in the USA. Your first step is to decide which type of digital product to create. Popular options include templates for resumes and social media posts, insightful ebooks, stylish printables like planners and calendars, or informative online courses teaching valuable skills. Focus on solving a problem or enhancing someone's life, as products with clear value tend to attract buyers effortlessly. Choosing the right type of product ensures you're meeting a demand, setting the stage for success. Next, selecting the appropriate platform is critical. For creative printables and templates, Etsy boasts a gigantic marketplace teeming with potential customers. For those focused on ebooks and courses, Gumroad offers a user-friendly solution. Shopify is another option if you aspire to build your own independent storefront. Each platform has its own fee structure, so be sure to understand the costs involved to maximize your profits. After narrowing down your product type and platform, it's time to create your digital product. Thanks to user-friendly tools like Canva and Figma, anyone can bring their vision to life without professional design skills. Customize existing templates to reflect your unique style, but remember to incorporate your brand identity to prevent any potential theft. Once your product shines, upload it to your chosen platform and optimize the listings with clear, SEO-friendly titles and keyword-rich descriptions. Finally, tap into traffic-driving strategies to boost your sales. Utilize social media platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram to showcase your products and connect directly with potential buyers. Share captivating snippets of your creative process or demonstrate the usefulness of your product in action. Pinterest in particular can be tremendously effective for printables, promising lasting traffic well into the future. With these strategies, you're well equipped to embark on your digital product journey, creating a thriving source of passive income.